I want to share with you a video of the most sustainable meal I have ever had. While traveling in Mondulkiri in northeastern Cambodia, we had the chance to stay with the Bunong tribe, an indigenous tribe who live in close harmony with nature and elephants, where we spent several days meeting them, living with them, learning about their culture, hiking in their ancestral forests, and getting to know their elephants. And I have a more comprehensive video coming out soon, but this week I want to make a short video on the topic of food. While staying with the Bunong, we had what might be the most sustainable meal we have ever had, Bunong Bamboo Soup. A completely vegan and organic meal where no pots or pans were needed, no fossil fuels were used in the cooking process, and all the vegetables were sourced locally. And in this short video, I will hand you over to Dhaniella, who will talk us through the recipe.
So we are preparing dinner, and this is the bamboo soup or trao prum.
Yeah, it's good.
One of the specialties of the Bunong tribe from Cambodia.
Okay, so we're harvesting some bamboo to make bamboo soup tonight.
Yeah.
So we're gonna look for a nice stick of bamboo.
Bamboo cooking, we had young
Green.
bamboo outside.
Okay.
Ready. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we have some eggplant and green beans. Push.
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Strong.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Water. Okay. Now fire?
Yeah.
Like this?
No. Let it. Yeah.
And now we wait.
Don't forget turn.
Yeah. Me turn. Tick turn.
So I think this bamboo stick is just an alternative way of
Have a pot.
boiling your vegetables. An organic pot. It is sweating now. Charlotte taking care of the finishing touches.
The seasoning. Let's see. Whoa! Beautiful. No.
Kangan.
And that's how you make Bunong Bamboo Soup. And believe me, it is most certainly tastier than it looks. It has a bit of a roasted bamboo flavor. And you can top it off with some Bunong rice wine, aka Happy Water, which is also served in bamboo cups.
Salud.
Salud. I'll try to repeat this recipe on our next cycle camping adventure or in the event of an apocalypse, but that's it for this week. A short one. We've been busy moving apartments, working, and finally traveling internationally. So lots more content coming your way. And see this video as more of a trailer for the next two videos where we produced a guide to Mondulkiri to help you plan a trip of your own. And the second is us sharing our experience living with the Bunong tribe, where we learned a whole lot about their traditions, their cultures, and got to ask them some rather personal questions. Can I ask you, what is important for a happy life in the Bunong culture? So that's it for now. Stay tuned. Take good care.